Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. Before we go on, would you just hit that subscribe button down below, right down there, right down there, and subscribe to my channel. And next time I make a video, that you will be here with me, and you will see the video that I record. This video is about TextBot Ava or TextBot AI, and how you can market your business opportunity, or how you can start making hundreds a day, $100 a day with your mobile phone. And it's all about sending text messages, and you will get a unique number just like this one, when you join, and you can promote that number just like I'm doing now. And another way that I am promoting TextBot is with the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros is my capture page maker, is my marketing system that I send out, and I get subscribers to see what I'm advertising. And I love making the YouTube videos so I can promote the Conversion Pros. And I use the Conversion Pros to promote, again, my business opportunities, such as AI, TextBot AI, and we call it Ava. And first of all, if you have joined already, we want you to take a look at the Conversion Pros. And this is what I use to make my capture pages. And I created this page today, a few minutes ago, just to put my number out here on YouTube. And I created it through the Conversion Pros. And the way you do this is you get your account. It's a 14-day free trial. And at the bottom of this video, you will see my link where you can go in and get you an account. It will be a capture page, and you could just log in and create you an account, a free account. You know you can make thousands of dollars a month by just giving this system away for free. But then I want to show you how I make my pages. First, I go to Page Builder, and then I select Create a Page. And I might choose, we have templates here, we have share codes here, but we have share codes for a lot of other pages or templates that's pre-built. But I'm going to use this one for the sake of this video. I'm going to click edit, and you would do the same thing. You can come in and get you a free account, and we have plenty of videos that will teach you how to create your page. We're going to give this page a name. Let's just say TextBot Ava AI. And then we're going to give the page a name. This is the title, TextBot Ava, so I can recognize what, when I go back to it, recognize what this page is all about. And the name I'm going to give it, just say Ava Carter. Sometime if it's not a unique name, it won't let you save, but we're going to save it, save the lander right here, and it saved it. So if it saved it, you can edit content. You can just put your cursor over the words you want to edit, and then you can say what you will amaze. And then stop editing. You can go back and you can just put a style on it. You can choose another color for your text. Stop editing. You see how that changed? We're going to go down here and save it. You can choose a background. Pick a background, or you can provide your own background. We're going to choose a background for this. And we're going to go over here and look at different backgrounds that you might want to use. This businesswoman looked pretty good. Let's go there. She's holding a phone as well. Or it can be computers. Let's choose this one right here. And this is how it's going to look on your cell phone. You see how that look? You want to center it in on it so this can show up on a person's cell phone if you send them your link. Confirm. And that's it. We're going to go down to landing page and save it. Okay. And then we got the form here. Your form, you want to edit it, but let's go over to TextBot. Okay, this is your back office. When you join TextBot, I'm gonna have a link at the bottom of the page where you can join TextBot AI. Go over here and set up your TextBot. You click on your picture. You're gonna be able to upload a picture, and then you go to profile. And this way you can upload your picture right here, and then you put in your information here, and you save the changes. After uploading, your picture go there. Make sure you put in your information. We go to dashboard. Let's go to Ava Basics. And we're not going to bring up the Ava leads because I don't want to expose people identity. We're going to go to settings. And of course, you're going to have your number. You're going to put your mobile number in there. And this is your primary, where your primary link go if you're advertising a business. Make sure you do that. And I don't want to go to leads. You have your training right here. This is going to be your unique number. You're going to get a number, and it's going to be right here once you join. And you can copy that number anywhere you go. This is your link that you advertise. If you're just going to advertise the link, but we're going to copy that link, and we're going to go over here because we're advertising Ava TextBot. We're going to put a form on the page that we just created. We're going to edit. And I like to ask for the full name, email, and phone number. So I'm going to select that. If you just want the email and your full name and email, you select that. This is where what your people are going to see when you advertise your page. And they will put their full name and email, or they put their full name, email, and phone number in there. I don't want to ask for too much information like address and all that, so I just put full name, email, and phone number, where a space where they can put that. But it's up to you what you want to do. And then we go up here. We're gonna put our link in there, our Ava link in there. We're gonna put it right here, and then we're gonna save it. So we go down to save in Lander. We save the page, and that's about it. That's what you do. All this you can just delete if you want to, or you can put what you want to put in there. You can even put your phone number in there. You know, the one that you get when you join Ava TextBot. You can put call, and then you can put your number in there. Put your Ava number in there. Put your TextBot number in there, so they can call you, and you can edit that. You can put a style on it. You can make the wordings bigger. You can put a shadow on it. You don't want to put too much shadow on it, just enough where it could be recognized. You spread it. I'm not going to spread it too much. We want them to see it. Then we stop editing, And we go down to save line and we save it. Okay, now we're going to go back over and look at the page. We're going to go to Page Builder. All your pages are going to come back here where you can bring up the page and you can edit it again if you want to. And let's look at the page we just created. We're going to preview it. And voila, there it is. So you can put what you want to on it, and then people are going to put their name in there and their email address. And then they're going to put a number in there. And then they're going to click take the free trial, and then they're going you can change that as well. You can just put click here there if you want to. You can put more different wordings here if you want to, and they're going to click on that, and see it took them to my TextBot AI, and that's the way you can promote your TextBot AI business. And if you haven't joined, again, the link will be at the bottom of this page. And this is the page I created. I just put my number there, and I'm making a video. This is just one way that you can, a couple of ways you can advertise your TextBot AI. My name is Marlon Carter. Would love to have you a part of my team. Just click on the links below where I put the Conversion Pros. You join for free, 14-day free trial, and you can make money with that alone. I'm telling you, it's people making thousands of dollars a month with the Conversion Pros, and with TextBot AI, you can make hundreds. You can make $500, $750 days, and people are making this type of money. All you have to do is apply yourself. I'm Elder Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, gospel preacher, then entrepreneur sucker. Have a wonderful day or night. Call that number and see how it works. Bye-bye.